And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix my GP app not working. So let's get started. So here I will just search for the my GP, okay, or here I will directly see for GP app. So here we can see my GP app, okay. So if it's not working for you, you have to follow this instruction. Just click on here, click on this I button, and then you have to scroll down and search for the storage. Click on this clear data, then delete, and you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to go to Google search bar, and you have to search as my GP app, okay. Just go it here, and from here you can update it. Like, click on the update and you can update it and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.